No, baby, pull it down and then let Daddy throw some food out at him. Come on, he's going away.
Okay, that's enough for him.
Yes,
well, we have a lot of food, so if he's hungry, maybe we give him more food. See, he'll stop eating when he's full.
Well, give me some to go back to the other
Oh,
guy.
Oh boy, he's coming in to get it.
Okay, get down.
Here, let me get some food here. Oh no, oh no. There we go. Oh, well, there it goes. He took it.
Oh no.
He took it all. He came right into the car and he took that bag right from me. He tricked me. I was trying to get the food out for him.
Okay, now
Well, he's happy now. I hope he won't eat the bag.
you wanna